Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Just click that red button that says subscribe. After that, click that bell sign so that you'll be first to be notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. In today's video guys, I'm going to be sharing you a very healthy drink that is beneficial to our health. This cucumber, lemon and ginger drink helps us to keep us hydrated. It helps us to lose weight, it aids our digestion, it helps to improve our immune system and also our skin. So let's get started. So the first we are going to do here in this video, we are going to start cutting out our ginger, our cucumber. You can decide to take off the skin of your ginger. You can decide to leave it that way. It's optional. So here's our cucumber. So the reason I'm cutting it just to aid my blender. So now I'm just going to add them to the blender. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And here is the ginger. So now I'm just going to add water. Please, you can decide to use warm water on this drink. Warm water for better results. Use warm water. So I'm just going to add the water. So guys, I've done adding the water. So now we are going to blend. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. So now, guys, we are finished blending our drink. So now I'm just going to keep this aside while we go ahead. You have to sieve this out. Yeah, before you take your drink, you have to sieve it out. So here's the spoon. If you don't want to use spoon, you can use a spatula on it. So now I'm going to add the rest. My guys, this drink is very healthy. Trust me, this natural remedy, it keeps the doctor away from you, you know. So guys, here's our drink. I finished sieving it out. So now let's cut out the lemon so I can add to it. So now we are going to cut the lemon out. Yeah. So it's time for us to sieve it out. Yes. We'll juice out the lemon. So the next is this. So look at that. So now we are just going to add it to our drink. So first of all, I'm just going to take out the seed out from it. So here is our drink. Look at that. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to add it to it. Wow. So now I'm going to stir. Wow, man, guys, I can't wait to have this. So refreshing. And guys, it's time to have my drink. Wow. Drink is ready. Wow. This is so refreshing. Like I said, for better results, take this with warm water. Please, this drink is going to keep the doctor away. Take care of yourself. Look after your health. Please, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. God bless you.